Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know and must start using it in your projects from day one. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to remove duplicates from an array. This is one of those classic use cases that is often required mostly on a day-to-day basis even after so many years of coding. I can guarantee you that if you're working on any serious project, this is a use case you will definitely run into most of the times. You will have a given data set which is an array which may have some duplicate values and you need to get a clean unique array out of it. Let's see how to do it. This is part 11 of the series. Make sure that you have gone through the first 10 episodes to learn such more cool JavaScript hacks of one-liners which will really make you productive. Alright, so what we are doing today is writing a one-liner to remove duplicates from an array. Alright. This is also one of those classic use cases that is often asked in interviews. Right? I have asked this question many times when I'm taking interviews. So, and I don't really care how the user does this particular solution, but what I want to really see is what they think and how they think, right, about going about it. Will it make it too complicated code, or will they try to find an optimized solution? Right, that's what I'm interested in. So we'll use a spread operator and say new, and we'll use set. And what set does is it would automatically filter the array values and give you only the unique ones. Now let's test it. Array unique array. Now, or say find whatever name you want to give, right? All right. So I'm going to repeat the value 3 and 7 and 1 and yeah 9. Okay, so I have an array, but now you can see we have the some of the values which are repeating. 1 and 3 is getting repeated. Now when I use our function, which is just one liner that we wrote, it should do the trick and should give us the unique array. Now let's go ahead and reveal it in Finder and open it with the choice of your browser, whatever browser you prefer. Go to inspect and console, and you see the array, and you see 1 3 4 6 7 9. There are no duplicates. However, in the input code that we gave, we had the duplicate values of 3 and 1. So that means our actual code is working. That just one line, which is take the array and return new set. Now set itself is ES6 part of method, array method, where it would return a unique array. Okay, it would automatically remove all the duplicates from an array, and that's what we want, right? That's the simplest code we can write. It's highly optimized and the best way to remove it. I hope you like today's JavaScript hack one-liner. We'll continue this series. I'm really loving this series. It's quick, it's super easy to learn, super easy to learn and implement on a daily basis. I hope you're liking it too, so please do hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe. Maybe leave a nice comment for me to keep encouraging me. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.